This outdoor rug was a recent addition to our patio space here, and I am so happy with it. It is absolutely stunning. So I want to give a full review, give some close-ups, and show the vibrancy of all these colors. With this being an outdoor rug, of course, the number one goal is for it to withstand all the elements outside, and it has done a wonderful job of doing just that so far. We've had tons of rain lately, and you can see everything is still nice and vibrant and well woven. None of the seams have come undone at all. Nothing looks crazy dirty or run down, which is amazing as well. What I love most about this rug is that it has these raised textures here for the color pieces themselves, which not only adds extra character to the rug, but also keeps dirt from being tracked into my home, because there is a little bit more friction happening on these raised pieces and the bottom pieces here as well. So the white here with the flat shag is going to be a little bit more rough, which really helps to get dirt and grime off and helps to keep it in place, as well as withstand the elements a little bit more. And then you have the vibrant colors that are beautiful here, but they have a little bit of a taller shag and are definitely a lot more soft than the white, of course. And then you can see how the colors kind of have multiple colors in one. So you have the green and yellow incorporation, orange and yellow, mustardy color, the dark blue, light blue, just so gorgeous with all of those various colors, and really that tie-dye look almost throughout the entire floral pattern. Our patio was looking a little bit sad and run down, so this definitely added that beautiful vibrancy, that pop of color to really help brighten up the space and make it feel like summertime and springtime is always in the air.